machine so that the food manufacturer can pack his food into a recyclable pouch. This machine, what I am talking is about packing food, and what are the changes we have made or someone else also can make so that his machine can run a recyclable pouch. I will discuss of different film structures. What are the challenges in sealing or making packing food into a recyclable film, and what are the design changes? I have mentioned only few here so that we can complete the presentation faster. Recycle needs a similar family structure like P plus P, BOPP plus CPP. Then only that film can be, or that packet after use can be recycled. So what are the problems? Why not everyone using a recyclable film when there is a mandate from the government? Because it's difficult to handle a recyclable film because of elongation, shrinkage, reduced output, deformation. So multiple concerns are there in anti-recycle. So I'll discuss on what are the changes one has to make in a machine so that a recyclable film also can run smoothly. It's difficult to handle a recyclable film because of its elongation, multiple tension zones. So machine has to have a feature multiple sealing arrays so that the sealing temperature can be reduced and you can still have seal at different points without increasing the pressure. So we have paired seal bars. We have even given cooling after the sealing so that the seal becomes gives as strength as a laminate pouch. We use OptiSeal technology, which has a much precise control on heating the